Assalamualaikum class. Today we are going to do the narration, direct and indirect in the present tense. You have been doing in class 6 and class 7. Now we will do a little bit of it in class 8 as well. The rules are the same. Now the objectives for today is recall the rules of narration, compare and contrast direct and indirect speech, and change the statements into indirect speech. Resources I'm going to use are the images and the YouTube videos, which will help you all. Now, direct speech consists of two parts: a clause containing an introductory verb such as said or asked. This indicates the speaker. A comma always follows the introductory verb. For example, Michael said. So there is always a comma after that. The actual words that are spoken, these are enclosed in quotation marks. The first word begins with a capital letter. For instance, Michael said, "Today is a great day." Well, if we'll see the direct speech, for instance, she says, "I'm going to school." Now, here the direct speech is divided into two parts. She says will be known as reporting speech, and "I'm going to the school" that is inside the inverted commas are known as reported speech. Direct and indirect narration. Direct speech. When we report the exact words of the speaker without any change, then this mode of communication is direct speech. For instance, he said, "I'm hungry." Here, the exact words of the speakers are "I'm hungry" and the words reported without any change. Indirect speech. When we do not report the real word of speaker and change them, then this mode of communication is called indirect speech. Examples: he said that he was hungry. Here we change the real words of speakers. "I'm hungry" to "he was hungry." Now, there is a third change in pronouns. All first person pronoun, I, my, mine, myself, we, or, us, ours, ourselves, are changed according to the subject of the reporting speech. For examples, she said, "I sold my car myself." She said that she sold her car herself. Second person pronouns. All second person pronouns, you, your, yours, yourselves, are changed according to the object of the reporting speech. For example, she said to me, "You waste your precious time yourself." She told me that I wasted my precious time myself. Third person pronouns. All third person pronouns will remain unchanged. Example: he said she's busy with her toy. He said that she was busy with her toy. Now, in the indirect speech, she says, "I am going to school." Now, if we have to change it into indirect speech, it will be she says that, inverted commas will remove and replace by that. She is going to school. No change in tenses in reported speech. The introductory verb is in the present, present perfect, or future if the introductory verb is in present or present perfect or future. For instance, he says, if it's in present, then the reported speech will not be changed. He says that he will come. Okay. Now, if we see the narration with the present tense, then there is a comparison in reporting speech and reported speech. If reporting speech is in simple present, it will remain as simple present. Present continuous will remain as present continuous. Present perfect will remain as present perfect. Present perfect continuous tense will remain as present perfect continuous tense. Now let's see the examples. Ungerna says, "I eat chocolate pudding every day." Now this is a direct speech, and we have to change it into indirect. You'll see that Ungerna says, now here the reporting speech remains the same as it is in present, that she eats. Now, as reporting speech was in present, that's why reported speech will also be in present. So we're going to put she eats chocolate pudding every day. Now, direct speech, they say we go to, there's some examples too. Direct speech, they say we go to college daily. They say that they go to college daily. Direct speech, I was not arranging the welcome party this year. In direct speech, she said that she is not arranging the welcome party this year. Now, if we just revise all those points, you'll come to know that the first form of the verb will not be changed. Commas and inverted commas will be changed to that. In negative sentences, does not will remain the same. So let's come to the recap. We have discussed about the reporting speech. We have discussed about the reported speech. Reporting speech is Um, and then we have done the reported speech, and then we have discussed about the rules for the present tense, and then we have discussed about the examples. Now the written task that you have to do, you have to change the following statements into indirect speech. All of these written tasks has been given to you in your written assignments. Thank you so much.